Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Opera browser is not opening or loading pages in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So search for Opera and then you can click on uninstall in the right pane because as you can see there is no option to open its settings. So click on uninstall. Now click on these three dots associated with uninstall and uninstall it completely. Okay, then uninstall it and be done with it. Okay, uninstall. Don't select the reinstall option. I'll tell you later why. Because if it reinstalls, it will reinstall it from the website. Once this is done, search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Select the drive, check all of these boxes here, and then click on OK and then select delete files. I'll tell you why we are doing this so that we delete all cache associated with Opera and that when we restart it, it restarts from the ab initio. Now search for store and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Opera and now you can open the Opera browser. Click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.